Alright, here's some example problems from your worksheet titled Practice. Evaluating a rational exponent. First thing, notice that our exponent is negative, so in order to make this positive, we have to write the reciprocal of our fraction. That changes our exponent from negative to positive. Then it's the second root of 100, or square root of 100, to the first power. So the square root of 100 is, correct, 10. 10 to the first power is 10. The square root of 25 is, correct, 5. 5 to the first power is 1. And then if we continue to simplify, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Next problem. Again, we have a negative exponent. So to get rid of that, do you remember what to do? That's right. Okay, move it from wherever it is to the other side of the fraction. Right now here it's in the numerator, so we're going to move it to the denominator. And when we do that, your fraction becomes positive. And what do we put in the top? That's right, a 1. Alright, the seventh root of 343. Let's see, can we do that? The seventh root of 343. We take 343 caret, and we're going to use 1 divided by 7. Okay, so since we get a decimal, we're just going to go ahead and leave our answer just like that. Okay, simplify. So what we're going to do here is we're going to change this to rational exponents. So we get r, okay, what's the power? 10. The root? 5. Okay, s, the power? Correct. The root? Correct. T, the power, and the root. Okay, so now we're going to simplify this down even further. Well, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we're going to have r squared. Now on this one, we're going to break this up into a whole and whatever is left over. So we'll have s to the 5/5 and s to the what's left over. If we take 5/5, a whole out of that, we have 1/5 left over. T. Now here, how many fifths can I take out of 21 and get a whole number? Well, we could take 5/5. We can do 10/5. We can do 15/5. We can do 20/5. So we can take 20/5 because that gives us a whole number. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then what do we have left over? That's right, we have 1/5 left over. So we get r squared. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, so I've done that one, I've done that one. That's a partial. Here's another whole, so 20 divided by 5 is 4. So we've done that one. Okay, and so to write these two, let's go ahead and put them in radical format. The root is the same, so we'll put both of them under this radical, and it's going to be s to the first power t to the first power. And there is your simplified expression.